I am reviewing Play-Doh slime, but is it really Play-Doh slime? Let's see and find out. We have the regular slime. Gonna start with that first. Okay. Oh wow, looks so, it feels gluey, but I'll take this off. It feel real gluey. The Play-Doh don't even feel like slime. Let me see. Okay. It don't really feel like slime. It feels like a slime texture. Let's see if we got a scent to it. No scent. Look at that. Okay. I'm actually liking this texture. We got bubbles. Let me squeeze it. See it pop. Squishy sound. Okay, a little squishy. It's squishy a little bit. Or a lot of it, I could say. Okay. I'm gonna play with this for a little bit. And then we got the foamy slime with the white, blue, purple, and baby blue, it look like. Let me open it and see how it's feeling. Okay. Ooh, pretty hard. Let me open it. Let me get this out the container. Ooh, you see that? Yeah, it's like a clear slime. Yeah. It's way over activated, which is fine. I kind of like it like this, cause you can get a little workout in. And you got a lot of beads in it too. Oh, let me go slow with it. Yeah, that's pretty nice. That's nice. But after a while, it do hurt your arm. So I recommend don't play it for too long. They put a lot of beads in this one. A lot of foam balls in this one. You can see it. Okay, let me stretch it out. Let's see if it stretch all the way. It's not, I don't even want to stick. Let me see. A little bit, just a little bit, not too much. Okay. But the more you play with it, the more softer it get. So that's pretty good. I really do like it because all the foam balls in it. This has to feel pretty good, actually. Okay, now we got the cloud slime. Let me open up purple. I like purple actually. Ooh. Okay. Got the balls in there. Ooh, man, like you don't want to come out. Okay. It's not I mean, it's kind of a cloud slime, but it's more like a butter slime, I would say. Yeah, more like a butter slime. And like, cause it got a lot of clay into it. If they add less clay, I think it actually would be a cloud slime, actually. You can see it. But it do got that instant snow inside of it, so yeah, I can give you that. But not a lot. It's way more clay than instant snow, I could say. Yeah. Yeah, this this is my least favorite. Okay, let's see some pops. Oh yeah, no pops. Yeah, that clay is really taking over it. All right, on to the next slime. Another foam slime. Let me see. Oh snap! That one open. Okay. Oh yeah, this one hard too. Oh yeah, getting a lot of pops. Let me take it out. Okay, this one, I'm actually liking this one because I really thought it would be hard just like the second one, the other foam slime, but this one actually pretty soft. I actually like this one really. Yeah, yep. This is so satisfying. Oh, this got like a raspberry scent. Oh, I like that. Okay, on to the next one. Another cloud slime. Let's see, this one really a cloud slime or it's just a lot of clay in it, like a butter slime. Okay, very nice. Nice start. Let me see. It don't, it don't really feel like a cloud slime. Okay. This is not a cloud slime. This is more like a butter slime. Yeah, it's like a butter slime. Oh, let me see something. Okay, it's more like a butter slime. Let me see. Let me show you what I mean. What I mean by that. See, it roll out just like a butter. Like a butter. Butter. It got like a weird texture to it too. Diamond pop. Okay. Crystal crunch. Hmm. Let me see. Let me see if it's crunch. Okay. Great start. Great start. Oh yeah, this is nice. Yeah, it's crunch. I don't know why I like these pieces. But if you want to feel like literally a crunch in your hands, yeah, you will like this one for sure. For sure. Okay. Oh yeah, I like this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like that. Like the pops. Say the big one for last. Okay. This is a butter clouds. Okay, stretch it, twirl it, and mold it. Okay. Let me see. Whoa. Let me smell it. It's like, it smells like popcorn. It smells like popcorn. Like caramel popcorn. Hold on, let's smell it again. Yeah. They should put like a kind of candy. I think we have to look pretty good. But I like it though. I like this crazy color. That's not just the hard part. Let me see. Yeah. Some of this hard. Ooh. Take that one out. Okay. Let me see. Let's see what's under here. Okay. Blue. Put my whole hand. Whoa. It's soft, way soft. Let me take all this out. It feel very weird. It's like taking a scoop of, dang, I forgot what it's called, but basically taking a scoop of ice cream, basically. It's wet. It's wet at the bottom. See, it's wet. See that? Okay. Woo. Hit my nail on the thing, on my fingers. Oh, just a lot of getting stuck on the paper. Look at that. I built like a little shoe. But I'm getting there. Okay. Well, that's one pop. Yeah, it's really like a butter slime, really. Like a butter slime. I'm making a whole mess.